Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn about Network Hub. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial about one of the basic networking devices. Let's get started.
A hub is a simple networking device. It connects multiple devices in a LAN, local area network. But unlike a switch, it sends data to all devices, not just the intended one. It is also called a multiport repeater. The main purpose of a hub is to connect multiple devices and let them communicate. It acts as a central point in the network. Hubs are very simple and easy to use. When a device sends data to the hub broadcasts it to all connected devices. It works at OSI Layer 1, the physical layer, so it does not read or check any addresses. Because of this, all devices receive the data, whether they need it or not. Imagine computer A wants to send data to computer B. The hub will send the data to all computers in the network. Only computer B reads it, the rest ignore it. Think of it like shouting in a room, everyone hears it, but only one person responds. A hub sends data to all devices, while a switch sends it only to the correct device. Switches are faster, more efficient, and more secure than hubs. Hubs are simpler and cheaper, but not good for large networks. There are three main types of hubs. Passive hub, just forwards signals, no amplification. Active hub, boosts signals to cover longer distances. Intelligent hub, can monitor traffic and has limited configuration options. Hubs are very easy to install and low cost. They are simple to use and work well in small networks. Hubs send data to all devices, which is less efficient. They have a higher chance of collisions, are less secure, and slower than switches. For modern networks, switches are mostly preferred. Hubs are mainly used in small home networks, small labs, or temporary setups. For large networks, switches and routers are much better. Imagine a small computer lab. All computers connect to a hub. Any data sent from one computer is broadcasted to all other computers. This works for a few devices but can be slow if many devices are connected. To summarize, hubs are basic networking devices. They connect devices in a LAN. They broadcast data to all devices. They are cheap and simple, but less efficient than switches. Thank you for watching this tutorial on network hubs. I hope you understood how hubs work. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.